Right, so it's been about a year. Time to see what's been happening at Sunbird. Okay, so the first thing I want you to notice is that we've done the grass, the turf. I mean myself and my girlfriend Danny, who I've been doing a lot of the renovations with. She's been a great help, so thanks very much to her. But we've got this area that was all pebbles turfed. Obviously not all of it, as you can see, but that is cool. That is natural grass. It's been catching some of this sprinkle, some of that sprinkle, and growing up. So it does look a little bit gross at the moment, all sort of tufty and whatever. And maybe the white pebbles as a whole entire feature might have looked a little bit nicer, but this is going to look better. I really hope it is. I really think it will. And it'll be nice just to have a bit more green going around. Even over here, you can see where the pebbles were. Squinty, I can't see. But you can see that the grass has started growing over where the pebbles were, and it's growing in towards the house. So again, really exciting stuff. The grass is something that's really firing us up at the moment, and the main change we've made to the outside. So as I make my way now into the actual house itself, where the magic's really been happening, just a heads up, this is a pretty quick sort of 1 year on update. I've got the whole renovation process on camera, which is really exciting. I've got a whole lot of videos to make. I'm thinking of going room by room, breaking down what we did. A lot of it will be similar, but different rooms, different challenges, different suggestions for you if you're watching as a renovator, and also different stuff ups if you're watching as someone that loves to watch a bloke that works in an office use power tools. This is the most exciting change to the house. The doggy! Mr. Peepa! Bully boy! Hey buddy boy! Hey buddy boy! How you going, buddy boy? He's a good little doggy. Little boy collie doggy. Likes to follow me around the house. Hey Mr. Doggy! Wow! Very cute! Very cute of you, man. But yes, you probably can see underneath the dog is another really big change of the house. The floorboards, which, man, they're looking good. I'm going to basically go through some before and afters of the original I Just Bought a House video, show you each room as it's changed. There's been some big changes, whether it's the floorboards being sanded and stained, the skirts going up, the bathroom, as you can see here, really just turning into a tiled wonderland. The kitchen has had extensive changes made, pretty simple stuff really, simple. I didn't actually have to paint most of that. Danny did all that, so very easy for me, very straightforward. We've got the area over here, of course, the dining room area. That pantry for clothes, it will be moved into the bedroom. I don't really want to go into my bedroom at the moment. Just believe that nothing has changed except we've got a new aircon. But I don't really want to labour it too much. This is a really bit of an update. Boom, boom. Before and after. Pretty cool stuff. Really exciting stuff. Stuff I really love. People that follow me on Instagram will have definitely seen me spamming them with updates and progress. But I gotta say, I'm really proud of it. And hopefully myself watching this video back as well, I get to see sort of how far it's come. And how far it's got to come. We've got, like I said, videos of each room coming out, renovation process, and then hopefully a completed house video. Like I said, pretty messy house at the moment. Didn't clean it, didn't do anything. Just wanted to show you what we've done, and let you know that the specific reno videos are to come. Thanks for watching.